Welcome back to my channel to Tech Things. As you all know, we have started Lead Code 60, Lead Code SQL 50 series where you will be solving 50 SQL questions. So this will definitely help you to crack any data related jobs or data related interviews or any coding round interview uh, exams. So yeah, let's get started. In this video, we have already covered so many videos so far. If you haven't watched those videos, you can just go to my channel where you will be finding this playlist. You can definitely watch it one by one. So now we are in the employee bonus problem. Let's see this employee bonus problem first, and then we will see the schema, and then we'll understand the problem statement, and then we'll solve the query. So yeah, this is the schema. So the question number here is employee bonus. Employee bonus question number is 577. So let's see the schema first. Here employee we have the column name we have is employee ID and name, supervisor and salary. So employee details are in this table. Employee ID is the unique values for this table. Okay. So each row of this table indicates the name and ID of an employee. In addition to that, their salary is also there and ID of their manager or supervisor. He is to whom he is reporting that a person's ID is also there. And next we have one more thing called as bonus table where you will be having particular employee ID, int type and bonus, whatever the bonus which is related to the that employee is to be there. Okay, employee ID is the unique value here, which is a primary key that is nothing but so is a here it is a primary key. It is in this table that is a foreign key, which is the reference column to that employee ID of the uh, employee table. So each row in this table contains the ID of the employee and their respective bonus is there. Okay. So now what we have to do is we have to write a solution. They're asking about write a solution uh, to report the name and bonus amount of each employee which with a bonus less than 1000. So who got less than 1000 bonus, we want to get the name and bonus amount of that employee. So that is what they are asking, and written type is of any order is fine with it. So you understood the problem, right? Who got the bonus less than 1000, we will have to fetch the name and the bonus amount. Let's see this with an example to understand it better. So yeah, we have given a employee table. They have given employee table. So some employee IDs and names are there. Some supervisor IDs are there, and salaries are there. So some bonus table is there like 2 and 4 are the IDs. We have 500 and then 2000 is there. So output you can see it in the table. So what they're asking like report the name and bonus of each employee. You can see each employee. They are not bothered about some employees having either having a bonus or not, but they want each and every employee's bonus. That is nothing but we have discussed in the previous things. If we consider this table as left table and this is as right table, so we need all the employees. So that is nothing but employee table. Everything we need. This is an employee table and this is an bonus table. So they need everything from the employee table. Then what we have to do? We have to do left join so that everything in the left thing will be comes, and also the including things also will come. So including things is nothing but employees who have bonus also we have to get, and also other employees also we have to get. If there is no bonus, what will be the bonus? That will be null value. Fine, right? So as there is no data from this table, that will return you a null. Okay, and then the bonus which is the present, the their amount will definitely will come there. So if we see Dan 2's employee ID is here too. So the same ID which is a foreign key when we compare to with his bonus will be got like that. Okay, fine, right? So as that we have Dan 2 value here, bonus is 500. So here we have 500. I hope this thing is clear, right? Wherever this employee 3 ID and employee 1 ID, we are not having any bonuses. So bonus is coming as null. So you understood, right? So first we have to do a left join on these two tables based upon the ID. What ID? Here is the employee ID act as a primary key and here it acts as a foreign key. For based upon that we are joining by using those keys as a thing, and left join we are doing and those id, and then we have to check on the bonuses and the condition they have given like less than 1000, that condition we have to check, or if there is no bonus also we have to get that as an output. So or condition, both the conditions, if anything satisfied then fine, we have. Sorry. Yeah, that is what we have to do here. I hope you have understood. Let me solve this in the here in the window. The first thing what we have to do, we have to select what we have to select. They are asking us to take the name and the bonus, right? If you can see here, they are asking like name and bonus of each employee, name and bonus, but we have to be here is comma name and bonus from what, from the table we have is both the things we have here. If you see their name is in one table and bonus is another table, that there is no such kind of thing like same field is present in both tables, then no need of having an aliasing name like that. If you give aliasing name, that is also fine. So let me have for good understanding and organizing them, we should use aliasing names. Then that will be a good practice, is the employee. And now, as we discussed, what we have to do, we have to do left join with what, with the bonus table we have to do. Let me give aliasing name B for bonus. On what condition we have to do? We have to do that on the employee ID column, right? As it is an primary key and foreign key in both the tables. Okay, in each table. So yeah, and again we have to apply some condition there. So yeah, sorry, I haven't given a less name for bonus here. So e dot name and b dot bonus from employee and left joining is bonus b where on this ID, and then on what point we have to apply conditions as they have given the bonus should be less than 1000. They are not telling like strictly or anything. Um, See, are also they are not telling like should be less than or equal to like that. So they have given less than, so that is nothing. But we have to use the same. Okay, less. And also what the thing we have to see, we have to get all the employees details, whether they are having bonus or not is the secondary thing. They are not asking about they want everything bonus. If there is nothing bonus like kind of, we have to just return null then. So this is the query which satisfies their question. Okay, problem statement is now satisfied, everything is included here. You can just run this problem so that you can see how many test cases have. Here you can see its test cases are accepted, and you can just submit. Hope you have understood, right? First, you have to know what join we have to do, on what ID, like or what will be a primary key from both the tables, and then what is the condition we have to apply, like that. You have to think in this format. I hope you have understood this problem. If you have any doubts, let me know in the comment section. So next problem will be going to solve with students and their examinations. So there's still three more problems on joins we have. Let's stay tuned to our video so that you will got to know how we can be able to solve those problems, and what are the problem statements, what are the critical points we have to remember in those statements, and what are the possible solutions we can write for those single question. So let's see in the next video, and then hope you have enjoyed watching this video. Let me know in the comment section if you have any doubts or suggestions for us to improve from our end. Share this video to your friends and colleagues who are at learning stage of SQL kind of things. And that's all for this video. Bye bye.